Aantayin mo pa ba na magkasakit ka at ma-hospital bago ka umiwas sa mga bagay na nakakasira ng katawan at buhay mo? Sometimes we keep doing things that we know are harmful, whether it's wrong habits, stress, overwork, or even vices, kahit alam nating may consequences, pero hanggang kailan? The Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 6:19-20, "Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit? Therefore, honor God with your bodies." Ibig sabihin, hindi natin pag-aari ang katawan natin. Ang Diyos ang nagbigay nito, kaya responsibilidad nating alagaan. Ang tanong, bakit pa natin hihintayin ang warning sign? Bakit pa natin hihintayin yung moment na nasa kama na tayo o hospital, saka lang tayo magsasabing sana pala nagbago na ako noon? Remember this, prevention is better than healing, and obedience is better than regret. Kung alam mong makakasama, stop it. Kung alam mong unhealthy, change it. Kung alam mong sinisira ang relasyon mo sa Diyos, layuan mo na. Hindi mo kailangang marating ang worst bago ka magising. Tandaan, God is not waiting for you to suffer. He's inviting you to choose life. Sabi sa Deuteronomy 30 verse 19, "I have set you before life and death. Choose life." Today, choose life, choose health, choose obedience. Of course, choose God.